So it's the merry month of May coming up, and I'm doing a lot of events that I want to share with you about teaching no dig and nice ways to grow beautiful food. And the first one is actually in UK near Bristol, Langford Farm, and it's talking about compost from noon on Saturday 3rd of May. And then the following week I'm in the Netherlands. I'm giving a talk in Utrecht on the 9th, Friday the 9th. That one is sold out, I believe. The following day there's still places at a whole day workshop at a market garden in Nije, Leije, up in the north of Netherlands, a little further away. And that's a fully working farm, and they've also got a greenhouse, and I believe that we're going to have the practical event probably in the greenhouse, which means even if it's raining it's going to be good. And then the following day I'm down south near Amsterdam, Amstelveen, and there's a sort of cooperative and market garden place in no dig beds. Don't quite know how to describe it. It's called MOES Gardens, Amstelveen, and that's on Sunday the 10th of May. No, 11th, sorry, Sunday 11th of May. And then shortly afterwards I'll be in Alaska. I'm really looking forward to seeing Alaska in May. Everyone tells me it's amazing. And starting off in Anchorage, I'm doing a day of both teaching and also a presentation inside, and there's tickets available for all these events. In fact, you can see on the events page of my website. The following day from Anchorage I'm in Juneau, and that evening giving a talk at the Master Gardeners Conference there, followed by a presentation on the Saturday, again at the Master Gardeners Conference, but it is open for others to attend if you want to come along. And there'll be also, I'm doing something in the community garden in Juneau, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. And following that, I'm flying home on the Sunday, and then in early June, I'll just finish by saying this because there's a lovely three events, nice events in a row. One is evening of Friday 6th of June at the Barn, Little London, where I've been a couple of times. Really amazing place. They're doing an outdoor event to celebrate the full moon, a supper and a talk. That one might be more about energy gardening, could be interesting. And the following day, no dig presentation at the a wellness festival at Little Westholmes Farm. That's Saturday the 7th of June, and that's also in Sussex. And on the Sunday the 8th of June I'm back here. It's open day at Alhampton and also all the village gardens, including some lovely other gardens in the village. So that one is Sunday afternoon on the 8th of June. So do have a look at the events page on my website for details about all of these.